All right, big news coming in. Supreme Court rebooking Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev yet again in court, wrapping him on the fake ads that he's put up on Patanjali curing symptoms of COVID. In fact, while hearing the matter in court, the contempt case against Patanjali Ayurved in connection with misleading advertisements, the Supreme Court highlighted how willful violation was carried out on the orders that they had passed, in fact expressing skepticism over sincerity of Ramdev's apology. Further, the apex court underscored it will deliberate whether to accept his apology or not, given those concerns. Appearing before the court, Ramdev has unconditionally apologized for misleading advertisements and derogatory remarks about the allopathy medicines, violating previous commitments to court. He's promised not to repeat these mistakes and to issue a public apology on the same. Patanjali's MD, Acharya Balkrishna, has also apologized, reiterating their readiness to publicly show their contribution. In fact, the bench has adjourned the hearing until 23rd of April to give an opportunity now to ensure that Ramdev corrects his act. Let me cut across to Kanu Sharda to find out what's the real conclusion of the arguments that ensued in court just a little while ago. Kanu, tell us a little more about what was deliberated in court, and we believe that the court has decided to give another chance to Baba Ramdev.
Yes, Nabila, that's right. The Supreme Court has given another chance to Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balkrishna because at the beginning of the hearing today, the court was of the view that why did they wait for the court's order to do any kind of apology or any kind of action that they wanted to take. So the senior advocate Mukul Rohatgi, who was appearing for Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balkrishna, categorically told the top court that they will issue public apology and they're willing to undertake whatever mistakes that they have done of defying the Supreme Court's order earlier, of going ahead and publishing those misleading advertisements wherein they have claimed that some of the diseases that they claim, like of diabetes and sugar and some more diseases, that those are curable as per if a person takes the Patanjali medicines. So these kind of things, if has come from the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court has now again gave a week's time to Patanjali Ayurved to come forward and do whatever they want to do as an apology or something else, that what they are up to, because the court has not expressed its views on whether the public apology is enough or not, because Supreme Court will at this point of time have not accepted the apology given twice by Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balakrishnan in this case. So it is very interesting to see on April 23rd whether the public apology, if at all Patanjali is issuing over the defiance of the Supreme Court order, will satisfy the top court or not. But for now, the road for Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balakrishnan seems to be a little difficult from here, because state licensing authority Uttarakhand, who is one of the parties in the case, have been also asked to inform the top court as to why no action was taken against Patanjali Ayurved for those misleading advertisements, and only mere warnings were issued. So the top court will also get all the responses from 2018 to 2024 as to why only warnings were issued, and they have sought a clear affidavits from all those who were leading the Uttarakhand licensing authority at various years from 2018 to 2024.
So it's not just Baba Ramdev and associates, but also the officers and authorities who gave those grants and clearances time and again to his products, endorsing it as cure to diseases that cannot likely find a cure with such Ayurvedic intervention there. Baba Ramdev has been pulled up yet again, but this time granted one last chance to come back with some fixes. Thanks very much, Kanu, for giving us those details.